We're gonna make Dutch pancakes. So Dutch pancakes are very yummy and you can basically put anything on top of it. The whole trick about making Dutch pancakes is that you make sure that the pan is really hot before you pour it in. I'm gonna already put bacon on it. Okay, so the bacon is in the pan. I am going to prepare the pancakes. Now I'm gonna use this one. Usually the first one is not perfect, but that's why it's so important to have a preheated pan. And then it kind of looks like this. Oh my god, look at this beauty.